Hello everyone, myself Nikita Khande and today my subject is data binding. First discuss about the data binding. Data binding is the core component of Angular and used to define the communication between component and DOM communication. It is a technique to like your data and data simple word. Data binding is the communication between your TypeScript code for your component and your template. Data binding two-way achieve. First is by using one-way data binding and second is by using two-way data binding. First discuss about the one-way data binding. One-way data binding is used to the one-way communication of the TypeScript template change to the TypeScript by using the three-way achieve in a one-way data binding. First discuss about the string interpolation. Second is the property binding and third is the event binding. First discuss about the string interpolation. String interpolation is a one-way data binding is used to the TypeScript code template. Data TypeScript to HTML is also known as string interpolation. Syntax of string interpolation is double curly bracket is used to the ts variable name close bracket curly close bracket close. Then property binding. Property binding is also used to the one-way data binding technique. It is a property binding is used to the bind to the property of a DOM event component to TypeScript code. Example of the property binding is the by using by using curly braces value close curly braces. Then using event binding. Event binding is used to the handle the event rise from the DOM like button click event, mouse event and text box event. Then two-way data binding achieve. Two-way data binding is the way to be used to the in the template where not be expected component TypeScript code and resolve to the problem. Angular provide to the two-way data binding. Two-way data binding has a features of update data from component to the one view and vice versa. Then two-way data binding is used to the property binding, proper binding, event binding and event binding and combined binding is used to the two-way data binding. Then discuss about the data binding is the component of the Angular is used to the DOM connection and simple type of the data binding. So this is from my side. Thank you all of you.